Tell me when.
But it's up to you when.
Tell me when you're recording.
It's recording.
Oh. 1, 2, 3. I get scared.
Do you want me to do it? You're seriously gonna jump into this big pile. I think you're on my side. There are piles here. Well, I don't know. Do you want me to do it?
No, I want to go first.
Is that a timber?
Not that deep. I'll stop.
Oh, God, Crystal.
I'll stop.
Put the cage right there so I can let the dog out.
Oh, okay. 1 second. Crystal, can you hold on 1 second? Then we'll go back to your struggle.